So here are the ingredients. Here we have some chicken breast. The amount of chicken breast you use is all going to determine on how much you're making and for like the amount of people. So here I have 3 pieces of chicken breast. I do want to say really quick, a quick tip is that we're going to be cutting these into tenders, but I strongly suggest that you don't buy the chicken breast already cut up into tender form, because you're going to end up paying a lot more when you can actually just buy the chicken breast in bulk and cut it yourself. And I will show you how you can cut it. And then here I have some bell pepper. I have red and yellow. This is just happens to be what I have on hand, but you can use any kind of bell pepper you like. You can use the green, you can use all the colors if you like, you can use some onion. Here I have some salt, and then I have my favorite seasoning here, which is chupacabra. And then here I have some olive oil, but this is the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've already rinsed and dried my chicken, so let's trim off some of this fat to the side. So do you see this line right here? You see how it cuts through this way? This part right here is your tender. So you can cut along that line, just like that. You see that? So now you have a tender piece. So because you've cut it this way, you want to go ahead and keep cutting it that way as you go. You want to go against the grain. You'll see the grain marks. So let's go ahead and cut it. And the amount of thickness, it all depends on you. Just keep in mind that chicken breast does cook quicker. So we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 425. Okay, so as that is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting our veggies. Cut them lengthwise. So we're gonna scoop them out like this. See? Cut out some of the stem part, just like that, and then we're going to cut them straight down. We're going to make them into strips. So we've cut up all our bell peppers. Now if you had onion, you'd cut up the onion, and the amount of peppers you use and the amount of onion and all that is all just going to depend on you. It's just your preference. Right, so now you want to grab a sheet pan. I have this ugly old one here. So I'm going to grab some foil. Let's grab another piece. Just like that. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to grab that chicken. Put it there. So what we're going to do here is we are going to season it. So I have my rub here, my favorite. You can use any kind of rub. It doesn't matter what kind you use. This just happens to be my favorite. Nice and marinated in the oil and the seasoning. So my oven is ready. It's at 425. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this into the oven, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks at the end. All right, guys. So here it is. Here are the chicken fajitas. I cooked them in a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for cooking with me. Thanks for hanging out with me and cooking dinner with me. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.